Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I'm very happy to meet you all in a new video. This video is regarding FYERS CPR indicator. After a lot of emails and lot of tweets, FYERS has finally introduced this price action indicator for our clients and for our subscribers. So we are the only people in trading community who were repeatedly inquiring for CPR indicator in FYERS. And finally, they have launched this indicator after a lot of struggle. Actually, FYERS were using TradingView as their chart provider, right? You all know that very well. And TradingView is not ready to provide third-party coded indicators for broker terminal. See, if TradingView is providing CPR indicator and other third-party coded indicators, what happens? Nobody will purchase TradingView, right? Everybody will simply open a trading and demat account and they will use that indicator for free for lifetime. For this reason, TradingView was refusing to provide this indicator for broker terminals. You cannot see CPR indicator in TradingView platform used by brokers. Many brokers are using TradingView as their chart provider, but you cannot see CPR indicator. You can see only in FYERS. We asked for CPR indicator and they provided that, right? So now we are going to ask some better upgrades in CPR indicator. So they will listen us obviously, and they will provide us a more enhanced and a robust CPR indicator so that we can trade profitably and in a price action way. And this was a dream for me to see CPR indicator in options chart, in futures chart, and to trade in FYERS with the help of CPR indicator, and now it has become a reality. So how you have to apply CPR indicator in FYERS trading terminal is, you have to go to the indicators panel and you have to search for CPR. As soon as you search for CPR, you can see the indicator named CPR with pivot levels, and as soon as you click that indicator, it will reflect in your charts. Now there is a slight difference between CPR indicator in TradingView. This CPR indicator is coded by me, and this indicator is introduced by FYERS in their trading terminal. Now there is a slight settings change. You have to do it for yourself. So what you have to do is you have to go to the CPR indicator settings, and what you have to do is you can see a box over here. You have to click this box and you have to change this to circles. Now when you change it to circles, what happens? The indicator will be shown like a dotted circles in your platform, right? But when you use this as a line, you can see a overlapping, right? The indicator will run from the previous day and then it forms a fresh line in the current day. If you are not interested to see these lines which is coming from the previous day, then what you have to do is you have to change the settings, all the levels into circles. Now when you change it to circles, what happens? The lines will not run from the previous day to the current day. Okay. And this is a very important settings change which you have to do it for yourself. Now I have changed the settings. Now as soon as you change this settings, what you have to do is you have to click this down arrow symbol under defaults, and you have to click save as default settings. Now when you save as a default setting and when you click OK, even if you delete this indicator, next time when you search for CPR with pivot levels, it automatically shows you in dotted circles, right? So this looks more pleasing than the lines which is running from the previous day to today. And another important settings which you can change in this CPR indicator in FYERS is you can go to the settings and you can click over these lines. In each and every levels you can see the lines. You have to click those lines, and under thickness, if you want, you can increase the thickness. When I increase the thickness, you can look, you can clearly see the thickness of the CPR levels. It increases, right? If you want the thickness to be increased, you can increase it by yourself, or what you can do is you can decrease the thickness and you can keep it as a very thin line. Okay, so you can change these settings by yourself. This is how you change the settings. And remember, as soon as you change all the settings, you have to click this and you have to save this settings. Otherwise, if you are closing this tab and if you reopening it, you have to apply the settings once again. So make sure it is auto saved every time whenever you make a change in an indicator or in your charting platform. Previous day high and low levels are equally important for us, because we usually apply R1 previous day high breakout strategy and we apply S1 previous day low breakout strategy, right? You all know the strategies, right? If you are new to this strategy, then you can go back to my YouTube channel, you can check the older videos. So that can be provided by FYERS as a separate indicator, or they can provide in this indicator itself under a inputs category. And very importantly, previously there was no CPR indicator in FYERS, so many people were subscribing to TradingView by spending a lot of money and they were using the CPR indicator. But now what happened, it has become very easy for you to use the CPR indicator absolutely for free in FYERS trading terminal. The only thing which you have to do is you should have a trading and demat account with FYERS, and that's it. So if you are interested to open your trading and demat account with FYERS, you can open instantly using the link provided in the description. Now another key point which is helpful for us to trade using the CPR indicator in FYERS is, I can apply this CPR indicator in options chart. For example, I wanted to buy a 35,000 call option, or I wanted to buy a 34,500 call option. So what I can do is I can open the 34,500 call option in Banknifty and I can directly apply my CPR strategies in options chart, and I can go for a buying or I can go for an option selling. So this makes trading very, very easy. So far in TradingView, we can apply CPR indicator only in spot charts and we can apply only in future charts, right? You can apply CPR indicator in TradingView in future charts as well, but you cannot apply in options chart. So many people were asking me, shall I use it in options chart? So what I used to tell is, by looking at spot chart, you can take position in options chart. It is not mandatory to look at the options chart CPR levels. But now, since FYERS has introduced this CPR indicator in their trading terminal, it is very easy for us to look at the CPR indicator in options chart, and we can take a very clear decision whether I'm going for an option buying, whether I'm going for an option selling, where should I place my stop loss, where should I place my target. It is very, very easy to interpret and take a trade decision. FYERS has not only provided this indicator, they have provided us the confidence to take a position in a very comfortable and easy manner. Okay, this CPR indicator is not only an indicator, it provides you confidence to take entry. It clearly tells you the entry point, it clearly tells you the exit point, where to keep stop loss, where to keep target. It is very, very easy when you use the CPR indicator. And a very big thanks to FYERS team for providing this awesome price action trading indicator in their trading terminal. All we want now is weekly and monthly CPR levels in your trading terminal. Okay, if FYERS is introducing weekly and monthly CPR levels in the settings, then it will be easy for us to check the overall trend of any instrument and we can take a wise decision, right? So hope you all enjoying this CPR indicator in FYERS trading terminal. If you have not yet opened your trading and demat account with FYERS, come on, open your trading and demat account with FYERS now using the link provided in the description. Okay, thank you guys. Meet you all in a new video.